Well, prior to the surgery, I was not experiencing many of the things that other people had complained about. I was not noticing the lights on cars at night flaring, or that the world was a little darkened. My primary problem was that I could not read street signs when I was driving. I could not read house numbers. I was a mobile mules driver, and it was kind of important that I find my way in strange neighborhoods. And that began to really bother me, because when I was even on a freeway, it was very difficult to read the signs. That was my major problem. My experience at the surgical center was very pleasant. The people were extremely nice. I felt really cared for. It was not stressful at all, and seemed to take a very short time before I was out and on my way. The surgery has really impacted my life. I had been nearsighted since I was born, I think. The first time I got glasses, I was 10 years old, and I remember the shock when I went out at night and I saw the moon, which was a little cold, hard dot in the sky, and it had always been a warm, fuzzy thing in my life. After the surgery, I was at a restaurant with big windows looking out at the mountains. And suddenly I realized I could see details on the ridge of the mountain that I'd never seen before. I could see the observatory at Mount Lemmon. I could see trees right up at the distant ridge line. And that was so impressive. I had been seeing Dr. Carter for a number of years. She had been recommended by my previous eye doctor. And I had always worn contact lenses for 40 or more years, and I lost one of my lenses and needed a new prescription. And she felt that my eyes were too dry and I should go to eyeglasses for a while. And I was a little hesitant about having her do cataract surgery when she told me that probably I was ready for it, because I know that all my friends had different doctors and they all thought theirs was the best. So I was with my husband when he went to see his retinologist one time, and I caught him and I said to the doctor, what do you think about Dr. Kristen Carter doing cataract surgery? And he said, oh, she's very good. And so that gave me a lot of confidence. And then she gave me a resume of her experience when I had decided on the surgery, and it was very favorable. So I've been recommending her to my friends ever since. I think she's great.